In the beginning, you should enroll and then complete your profile, including a picture. Make sure that you have a profile filled out. I have my profile, but in the beginning, I did not. Cheryl McCoy is what I'm picking on. You're going to click on your name, but it'll have a little circle here, and this will take us to the profile section. I've added a lot of information, but in the beginning, I wanted to make sure that I had at least a picture. I will give you some alternatives. Here is a group of pictures. You probably have a group of pictures like this for your hometown for you. I could have picked any of these pictures like my college, spider web, in the fall, in the spring, a springtime brook. Take one of those. You can use it to make your picture. So we're going to go to the profile. You come down here and where it says Edit Profile, click on Edit Profile. You need to have the minimum of a picture and a little bit of basic general information. I put this in, I inserted it. If you use Gravatar, you can use it to get your Moodle picture. Or you can delete that picture. We're going to change this picture. I'm going to come down to the place where it says New Picture. I'm going to click on this Help. That way you can read. To add a new picture, browse and select an image in JPEG or PNG format. Then click Update Profile, but it will crop it for you. All right, now where is Update Profile? Oh, there it is. I'm going to click on New Picture. When you click on New Picture, this box will come up. Drag and drop files here to add them. We can do that. Or I can come to this little icon, the folded paper. It says Add File. Click on that. And you have a whole smorgasbord of possibilities. You can take a poodle snapshot. Let's do that. I'm going to take a picture. I will upload. Once I upload the snapshot, it will appear. You can go to Upload File, Recent Files, that's things that you've saved, Google Drive, Server Files, URL, Downloader, and these various others, Flickr Public. Go to Browse. I'll select this one. Save as Winter Moodle Profile. Upload. As you can see, it's reduced it. Now I'm going to, as we talked about before, down to the very bottom of the page and click on Update Profile. There we are. New winter profile picture. And you can do the very same thing. Ask for help if you'd like.